Welcome to another video. So today we are making some meatballs. Our ingredients: we have cayenne pepper, paprika, garlic powder, garlic paste, bread and milk, because we don't have the breadcrumbs, so we are going to use milk and bread to soften the bread, and then tomatoes, onions, the spring onions, the egg, and the tomato paste. So let's get right into the video. Sorry. Yep. So we just make sure this milk has softened the bread just the way we need it. These are 2 slices of bread. Equals soft to the soft. Yeah, I think we are good to go with our bread. So let it in there, then smash. Take this away. Woo, shit. Mix. Yeah, so go in with our powder, garlic powder, paprika, sorry, a little cayenne pepper, fere. Oh, let me not overdo it. Then we have our garlic paste. I'm a garlic girl, so we use a little of the garlic. Yeah, paste. Now mix thoroughly. Mixisha. Mixisha. Then egg. Mix it up. Chop a yolk to mix until it is well mixed. Smells nice. Whew. Smells really nice. See, very well mixed. Spring onions, just for a different kind of taste. You're not limited with the ingredients. You can go as far as you want, as deep as you would want it to be. Now it is well mixed, the bread, everything is mixed in well. You see? Very well. So we are going to partition it into balls. That's why it's meatballs. So get that on. Let's put this one inside the fridge. Inabaki ya hapa. Store it away. Clean hands. Make our balls. Ooh. Namna that. Try to shape them equally. Yeah. Ready to go into the pan. Yeah, so let's get started with our oil. In a pan, go in with your oil. Yep.
As you work it, I'm impressed. What's your sign? You are the shine. They looking more body on them floor. Go, 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 go on and I need you. Go, 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 go on and you. Go on and so let's stop. This shit makes you expire soon. Oh my lady, feel my lady. I'm talking real, for real. Go, 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 go on and I do. Go, 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 go on and do. Go, 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 go for sure. Let's check again, getting more to us. As you work it, I'm impressed. What's your sign? You are the shine. They looking more body on them floor. Go, 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 go on and dance it. Ooh, go, 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 go on me. Ooh, go. Keep on it, oh, so let's start slow. This shit makes you expire too. Oh, my lady, if you want it, easy. I'm talking real, for real. Go, 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 go on and dance it. Ooh, go, 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 go on me. Ooh, go, 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 go for a show. Ooh, let's check, I can't get any more to us. How she work it, I'm impressed. Cho, cho, cho. What's your sign? You got the shine. They look in my body, no names, so. Cho, cho, cho. Keep money, oh. Leo, Leo. Leo, yo. So let's so. This shit makes you explosive. Oh, my lady, you want it busy. I'm talking real, for real. Go, 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 go on and dance it. Ooh, go, 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 go on me. Ooh, go, go, so let's so. This shit makes you expire too.